So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add animated backgrounds in Duda website. So the first thing you want to do is on the left side you can see some of the things that will help you like personalize or media and widgets. But the main thing you want to add is to find a section first. So let's say I want to add an animated background on this section. I'll first need to click on it. After that, you can see it's selected and you will see this pop up here. It says design plus you can duplicate it and you can see some more actions on here as well. But click on design. From the design part of the page, you can see your layout. You can see the spacing, size, animations, and effects, and you can see background and style. So if you click on this, you can see color, image, and video. So if you choose for video, you can select a video. You can even add YouTube, Vimeo, or Dailymotion URLs, which will give you the option for that to be animated, so it's going to have a video running in the background. You can even see here effects, so you can choose some effects like hover, or it says how it should appear when you open it up, so you can do it through there. So they give you a lot of options, so you can do it through the background to add a video, image, or something like that, which will make it more animated, and you can even see through animations and effects to give you some sort of movement for that animation style. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.